Hey, nice. Keep chasing that. Inside, work inside. Circle in. Snap. Hold your wrist. Snap. Be ready.
Man fight.
Circle
Inside tie. Inside tie.
Good. Inside tie. Kick leg back.
Wrestle.
Up. Circle,
Legs back. Keep nothing yet. Hips out. Nothing yet. Don't go down. Hips out. Fight the launch. Get to your base.
Up to your base. Elevate it.
Elevate that leg. Elevate it. Keep that.
Go. Forklift.
Hips down.
Hey, reset. Up. Get one. Hand fight now. Roll through hard. Kick. Good. Short time. Shoulder down, walk your fingers.
I can still get a medal. Yeah, I got it no matter what.
You're there. Let's go.
Tournament, baby. Yeah, because it said loser of
Chris,
this, and it was right next to the thing.
Hey, what's the plan?
138.
All right, Chris, come on.
Follow. Good. Now chop. Follow.
Head up.
I want to be the man.
What the half?
Ball that up.
Someone thinks crazy, I want my name to be up there.
2 on 1. 2 on 1. Cross face.
Above the elbow.
Cross face.
Above the elbow. Right hand above the elbow.
Yes. Push that elbow up.
One of our finalists at 165 pounds has been determined. From Michigan, Malachi
Under the
King.
arm.
Under the arm. Get him flat.
Double thigh pride.
Double thigh. No, stay on him. Mat return. Up.
Lift and return.
Hand fight. Now build. Hand fight again. Watch your tilt. Hold. Roll through. Hard.
175-pound semi-finalist from Mat 1, Ariola, the Sanger, Richards, Golden
Build up.
Valley.
Roll out your wrist. Roll out that wrist. Feel the fingers. Hold. Head up.
Hips down.
Hips other way.
With the hips.
Hard. Other way. Good. Come this way. Hey, play your hands down there. Can't sit there. Roll through hard. Can't sit there. Don't settle for that. Work.